Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson of New Energy Vehicle Motor and Control System Maintenance. Today, we are going to learn about the structure of the cooling system in electric vehicles. First, let's look at the role of the cooling system in electric vehicles. Electric vehicles generate a large amount of heat during operation. If this heat cannot be dissipated properly, it may result in vehicle speed limitation or even component damage. The cooling system of electric vehicles is responsible for timely dissipating the heat generated by the motor and motor controller, ensuring their stable and efficient operation within the required temperature range. Next, let's learn about the components of the cooling system. It mainly consists of a coolant reservoir, radiator, cooling fan, electric water pump, coolant pipes, and coolant. These components together achieve heat dissipation for the motor and MCU. Now let's learn about the role of each component in the cooling system. The coolant reservoir replenishes the coolant in the system and releases gas generated during the heat dissipation process. The radiator is the most important heat dissipation component in the cooling system, where the coolant dissipates heat through airflow. The cooling fan directly acts on the radiator, accelerating airflow to enhance the heat dissipation capacity. The electric water pump serves as the power source for coolant circulation, pressurizing the coolant, circulate in the cooling system, and transfer the heat generated by the drive motor system to the radiator. The coolant pipes connect various components of the electric vehicle cooling system and provide a circulation path for the coolant. Next, let's watch a video about the structure of the cooling system. The cooling system of a pure electric vehicle mainly consists of an electric water pump, radiator, cooling fan, coolant reservoir, coolant pipes, and coolant. Now that we have learned about role and structure of the cooling system, where are the different components located in the actual vehicle? Let's go to the workshop to see where the components of the cooling system are in the actual vehicle. First, ensure a safe working environment and prepare protective equipment. Check personal workwear and protective gear, including safety helmets, goggles, gloves, and electric insulated shoes and so on. Then, set up a warning line and place warning signs and prepare for lifting the vehicle. Open the front hood. Place vehicle protective equipment and seat cushions, floor mats, and rear seat covers. Begin to lift the vehicle after reaching the lifting position. Check if the lifting slot is in place. Vehicle's bottom plate. We have already removed it. Next, let's learn about the specific positions of the components of the electric vehicle cooling system on the actual vehicle. The first component we see is the coolant reservoir. The outlet of the coolant reservoir is connected to the inlet of the radiator. The outlet of the radiator is connected to the inlet of the water pump. The outlet of the water pump is connected to the inlet of the power distribution assembly. The outlet of the power distribution assembly is connected to the inlet of the MCU. The outlet of the MCU is connected to the inlet of the motor. The outlet of the motor is connected to the radiator, forming a circulating loop. Above is what you see in the actual vehicle. the actual positions of the components, and the connections of the pipes in the electric vehicle cooling system, lower the vehicle, put in the seat cushions, floor mats, and rear seat covers, and close the front hood. Finally, clean up the working environment according to the 6S principles. Did you understand the structure of the electric vehicle cooling system? By connecting theory with practice and understanding the specific positions of the cooling system components in the actual vehicle, we have deepened our understanding of the knowledge points covered in this lesson. Thank you for listening, and the class is now over.